Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 4-digit 4 to 20 milliamp display panels. What you can see now is 138 with 6.2 milliampere. Let's try it out. Where I set below than 123, it will blink. Let's try. So start blinking. So you can see above 123, it will stop. So my maximum value I set to 323 and start blinking. So like 313, it won't blink. One more step. Okay. 326, it will blink. So I lower that one down. 323, 319, it won't blink. So how we do that? So let's come to the setting. Press and hold the button. This is the maximum value. When 20 milliamp equals to what? So when 20 milliamp equals to 1000. Press and hold again. When 4 milliamp equals to how much? I put 0. So let's start. So this is the value that I would like to put. So for example, if let's say I want to set 300, above 300 will blink. Then put 300. Then press and hold the button, high button. Once you press around 8 seconds, release. So what is the minimum number that I wish to trigger when blinks? So let's say I put 100. So below 100 it will blink. So press and hold the low button. Press and hold around 8 seconds. Once you have done the setting, press and hold the move button to escape. So just now, what I said is above 300 will blink, below 100 will blink. So 100 to 200 it won't blink. So let's try it out. So you see, 288 won't blink. Increase value. 294 won't blink. So when more than 300 will blink. So let me lower down. So we can see 105, it won't blink. I go down another value, 10. So when less than 100, it will blink. This is how it looks like. So now it's 5.5 milliampere. So let's scroll to 4 milliampere. This 4 milliampere will be 0. So let's turn to 20 milliampere. So now it's 8, 9. So when I go to 12, it will be around 500. So go to 20 milliampere, it will become 1000. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. 4 to 20 milliamp and I go to 4. 4 equals to 0. So press and hold. 40. So let's say low 0. See. So 100.0. hold. 2. Ten point zero. Press and hold. 3. 0.00. 0.00. 0. 10,000. And hold. 001. 0.00. And hold. 40.0. 0. 1. Press and hold. 40.00. 20 minutes.